Creamy, luxurious vegan latte recipes, 7 must-try beverages. Welcome, coffee lovers. Today we're blending the best of vegan and coffee worlds, creating 7 luscious vegan lattes. These are beverages that anyone, not just vegans, will love. First up, we've got the classic vanilla almond milk latte. You'll need 2 cups of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a hot shot of espresso. Heat the almond milk, whisking till frothy, then add the vanilla and espresso. It's a simple recipe, but the taste is out of this world. Next, let's spice things up with a chai almond latte. Gather 2 cups of almond milk, 1 chai tea bag, and a dash of agave syrup. Steep the chai tea in a little hot water, then add it to the heated and whisked almond milk. Add the agave syrup for a touch of sweetness. Our third treat is the soothing lavender latte. You'll need 2 cups of oat milk, 1 teaspoon of culinary lavender, and 1 teaspoon of agave syrup. Heat the oat milk with the lavender, strain, then add your espresso shot. Sweeten with agave and enjoy this floral latte with a twist. Now let's move on to the mocha coconut latte. You'll need 2 cups of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 hot shot of espresso, and agave syrup. Mix the cocoa powder with a little hot water before adding it to the heated coconut milk. Then add your espresso shot. A divine drink, this one is for the chocolate lovers. The 5th latte on our list is the matcha latte. You'll need 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, 1 cup of hot water, and 1 cup of heated soy milk. Mix the matcha powder with the hot water, then add the soy milk. This green latte is not only delicious, but it's also packed with antioxidants. For our 6th recipe, we have the creamy cashew latte. You'll need 2 cups of cashew milk, 1 teaspoon of agave syrup, and a hot shot of espresso. Heat the cashew milk, whisking till frothy, then add the espresso and agave syrup. This latte is incredibly creamy and indulgent. Finally, let's heat up with a turmeric ginger latte. You'll need 2 cups of rice milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and agave syrup. Heat the rice milk with the turmeric and ginger, strain, then sweeten with agave. This golden beauty is a burst of flavors and fragrant spices. And there you have it, 7 vegan lattes that are creamy, luxurious, and oh so tasty. So next time you're craving a coffee, try one of these recipes. They're guaranteed to make your coffee breaks even more delightful. Remember, you can always switch up the sweeteners or use your favorite plant-based milk. These lattes are as versatile as they are delicious. So what are you waiting for? Get brewing and enjoy these vegan, dairy-free delights.